You keep doing what you have always done, you keep getting what you have always got. You have to break the rule if you want to do something different. If you want to break the ground, if you want to go out of the boundary of the rules, you have to break the rules. You have to break the rules. My past is everything that I failed with. My past is everything that I failed to be. But my future has everything that I want to be. And why would I not want for myself everything? And why would I want to focus on the things that I failed? So I will not be in the past, but I'll be in the future and live my present. So before going outside and asking the whys of others, find out your whys, and there are high chances that you would never need to ask them again the why, because you would have got all the answers of all the whys that you would have ever had when you asked yourself the whys of everything. If you want to grow, if you want to outgrow, if you want to outwork your neighbors, your society, your people, then you have to close your ears, close your eyes, and only listen to what you want to listen, only see what you want to see, and only do what you want to do. Do not listen to anybody. Do not see what others are showing you. Do not hear what others are saying you. Do not do what others are asking you to do. Rather, listen to yourself, listen to your gut, listen to your heart, listen to your brain, but not to anybody. So you have to stop being the victim and start taking responsibilities in your life. And if you start taking responsibilities, the sooner you take it, the better you are. The sooner you start taking responsibilities for yourself, for your family, your society, or your country, you start becoming successful. So stop playing the victim card. Stop being the victim of your circumstances. Stop being the victim of government. Stop being the victim of economy. Stop being the victim of taxation. Stop being the victim of anything around you. To lead him, you have to become a trend setter and not a trend follower. You have to become a trend setter, and to become a trend setter, what you need to do is you need to start competing with yourself. And when you start competing with yourself, you try to do new things every day in a better way. And when your mind starts saying you that you are a rich person, what on earth do you think would stop you from becoming rich? Nothing. It is all about the mindset that we are in. If our mindset becomes that of a rich person, nobody can stop us from getting rich. Maybe we are not rich today. Maybe you are not rich today, but you will be rich one day, because you have already become rich in your mindset. You have already become rich from your mind. And if you are rich from your mind, you will be rich from your bank account soon. To lead is to walk through the fires of your hardest times, to step up into forgiveness. To lead is to fight from the front. To lead is to face all the problems first. To lead is to be strong enough, to be prepared enough to take care of any of the problems, to face the problems first. We are not going to work because we have to work, but we are going to work because to live is to work. And if you want to know yourself, you need to start looking at the outer world. That is how you are. That is the exact reflection of who you are and what changes you should be bringing within yourselves to see a better world. The world how you want to see it. The world how you would love to see it. So we are going to stop demanding for anything from the environment, from the neighbors, from the family members, from the teachers, from anybody else for that sake. But we are going to demand things from ourselves, and we are going to control ourselves. That does it all, and you become successful.